Hey everyone, hope you are doing well. If you are looking for a modern and latest consumer things, then keep your worries aside, because you are in the right place. Here we present the best and the latest gadget of this year. Today I am going to make a video on best mixer and blender at an affordable price of 2023. If you really like the products and want to buy them, then go to the description box where the product links are given. Product 1. Product name: Viva Black White Self-Cleaning Ice Smoothie Blenders. The Viva Black White Self-Cleaning Ice Smoothie Blenders are a versatile and convenient kitchen appliance designed to simplify the process of making smoothies, juices, and other blended beverages. These countertop blenders are known for their innovative features and user-friendly design. One standout feature of the Viva Self-Cleaning Ice Smoothie Blenders is their self-cleaning capability. This means that after blending your favorite fruits, vegetables, or ice, you can easily clean the blender by adding water and a drop of dish soap, then running a cleaning cycle. This feature saves time and effort compared to traditional blenders that require disassembly for cleaning. The blenders come in both black and white color options, allowing you to choose the one that best matches your kitchen decor. They also include a silent sound shield, which helps reduce the noise generated during blending, making them suitable for use in quiet environments or early mornings without disturbing others in your household. Product 2. Product name: 5-in-1 Stand Mixer. The 5-in-1 Stand Mixer is a versatile and powerful kitchen appliance that offers multiple functions in one convenient package. With its 850W motor, this stand mixer is designed to handle a wide range of cooking and baking tasks, making it an essential tool for home chefs and culinary enthusiasts. One of the standout features of this stand mixer is its 7.5 QT stainless steel bowl, which provides ample capacity for mixing large batches of dough, batter, or other ingredients. Whether you're preparing bread, cake, cookies, or any other recipes that require thorough mixing, this spacious bowl ensures you have plenty of room to work with. In addition to the main mixing bowl, the 5-in-1 stand mixer includes a 1.5L glass jar. This glass jar is a valuable addition for blending and processing tasks, such as making smoothies, soups, sauces, and more. Its transparency allows you to monitor the blending process. The function of this versatile appliance is its meat grinder attachment. With this attachment, you can grind various types of meat to create homemade sausages, burgers, or ground meat for various recipes. This feature adds to the mixer's versatility and makes it a useful tool for meat lovers and those who enjoy preparing their own meat dishes. The tilt head design of the stand mixer makes it easy to access the mixing bowl and attachments, simplifying the process of adding ingredients or changing attachments. This user-friendly design ensures that both experienced cooks and beginners can use the Biomix 3HP 2200W heavy-duty commercial-grade timer blender mixer juicer fruit food processor ice smoothies BPA-free 2L jar is a powerful and versatile kitchen appliance designed to meet the demands of both professional and home chefs. With its robust features and capabilities, it has gained popularity for its ability to blend, mix, juice, process food, and create a variety of culinary delights. KY features powerful motor. The Biomix boasts a high-performance 3HP 2200W motor, making it capable of effortlessly handling a wide range of tasks. From blending tough ingredients to crushing ice, this blender mixer can tackle it all. Commercial grade. Its heavy-duty construction and commercial-grade design make it a durable choice for both home kitchens and professional settings. It's built to withstand continuous use in demanding blending tasks. Timer function. The inclusion of a timer function allows users to precisely control blending times. This feature is particularly useful for achieving consistent results when making smoothies, soups, and other recipes. Large capacity. The Biomix comes with a 2-liter, approximately 68 ounces, BPA-free jar, providing ample space for preparing large batches of smoothies, sauces, or soups to cater to gatherings or family meals. Multi-purpose. This blender mixer isn't limited to just blending. It can also function as a juicer, food processor, and ice crusher. This versatility makes it an all-in-one kitchen appliance, reducing the need for multiple devices. Safety features. Safety is a priority with the Biomix. It includes features like overload protection and a secure locking system to ensure safe operation. BPA-free materials. The jar and components are made from BPA-free materials, ensuring that your food and drinks remain free from harmful chemicals. Applications. The Biomix finds its application in a variety of culinary tasks, including smoothies, Easily create creamy and nutritious smoothies using a wide range of ingredients. Soups and purees. Make silky smooth soups and purees by blending vegetables and other ingredients to your desired consistency. Juicing. Extract fresh and healthy juices from fruits and vegetables. Ice crushing. Crush ice for cocktails and cold beverages. Food processing. Chop, slice, and dice ingredients for recipes like salsas, dips, and more. Product 4 Product name Viver Centrifugal Juicer Mixer. The Viver Centrifugal Juicer Mixer machine is a versatile kitchen appliance designed for extracting juice from various fruits and vegetables. This portable mini blender is equipped with an 850W motor and offers 5 different speed settings, making it a powerful and customizable tool for your kitchen at home. Any of the key features of the Viver Centrifugal Juicer Mixer machine is its centrifugal juicing mechanism. This technology rapidly spins the ingredients, effectively separating the juice from the pulp. This results in quick and efficient juice extraction, allowing you to enjoy fresh and nutritious beverages with minimal effort. The portability of this juicer mixer machine is a notable advantage. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to move and store, making it an excellent choice for smaller kitchens or for those with limited countertop space. Whether you're looking to make a healthy morning juice or whip up a refreshing smoothie, the Viver Centrifugal Juicer Mixer machine, all catering to different preferences.
Thanks for watching. Links are in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.